All right, guys. My name is Zan, and I'm actually from Zan AI channel. Okay, so today what we're gonna learn is how to basically create an agentic AI for your interviews, so that way you can practice your interviews and without any human effort. And so, okay, let's just get started. So to create um, agentic AI agent in any um, LLM, you can use various tools. There are various tools that are out there like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and so on. But Google Gemini is the free one, and you can easily create one. So today we're gonna go ahead and learn this and how to do this. So first, we need to understand how we are going to create uh, prompt for that. So for that, I'm gonna actually go to ChatGPT and going to create a prompt from that. Okay, so just go to ChatGPT. Okay, doing this in the Zoom. That's it. And just gonna type. Can you give a, a prompt to create an AI agent which will take my interviews? What I want is it should ask me for my CV, for my resume, okay? And then also ask for the job description, okay? And then ask me 20 questions mixed of technical, behavior. I hope I'm spelling it correctly. If not, then LLM is smart enough to know. And culture fit in the context of my resume. And JD after each question. Each question should for stop for me to give answers and then suggest me improvements on my answers. Okay, so this is the prompt. I'm going to just type this. So it is going to give me this prompt. Let's go through this, and you could do the same. This I'm going to copy paste this prompt to see if the how the other LLM will do, such as Claude. So we can just do that one. Say Cloud sign in. Not if you have a Gmail account, it will automatically sign you in. Okay, it's just trying to sign you in. This is me. Two. And we're gonna create the views. So, I don't like to get free skip to you. Here. So let's just tap there and see what the cloud has to give you the prompt. So the cloud works a kind of different way to get you the prompt and do it that way. So it's gonna wait till it completes the prompt and give me the correct. So you can see it's just trying to do it everything on its own. So cloud works are kind of different, but this the problem with this is gonna forget and we can't really get our own uh, custom AI. Okay, so it feels like we're gonna have to go with this prompt that we have. I'm expert. Just copy that. We go to gems, and you have something called gems. So what are you gonna do? Click on that and go all the way down. So there's two gems. So you're gonna create a new gem by the gem manager. So when you click on that, it will correct. It will come up something like that. So just click. So you're gonna see instructions over here. Okay. Okay. And you see you are uh, into viewer for my DevOps, which I am DevOps. Look, you can see you're an expert interviewer. And this is where the knowledge, so the knowledge you can add as many files as you want. So in my case, what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna add my resume. So I'm just gonna say resume, DevOps, let's do that. And then I'm just going to save it. And I'm just going to create a seat. So it just starts checking. So see that. Start the interview. So it's going to start the interview. Hello, Zimran. It's a pleasure. See, you have this many target. Once you have the GD. Okay. So for JD, what I can do is Indeed. Go to Indeed. Azure. Azure DevOps. So you can do for anything, whatever you have. So I'm just going for Azure DevOps. This is awesome. Some things Azure DevOps job description. Or if you don't remember, don't know, say Azure DevOps. So it's going to continue. You can give it a complete here here, or you can go back and add a file over here. In this case, I just put a Azure DevOps, and now it's going to ask me this question. Okay, so it's still asking me the question. So okay, so DevOps. I'm just going to pause the recording for a second because I think that I need to find time frame right now. Okay, so okay, so I found this on my LinkedIn. I able to see the description of the uh, job description. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste this in. Or if you want to, just copy paste this into our Gemini. Right. That's cool. And you see, starts there. Just could you please walk me through your current role at the FCT, especially administrative or young? So you see how it's going to go, going about it in actually, so let's say if I wanted to answer, to just most plus the team. So I just wanted to give any answer. Can you please walk through current solutions, especially so I just say my experience is good. Just typing it, just a random response. It's good, and I use Terraform. Nothing special, just not very deep technical about it. And then if I do develop IC for all of it. All right, so let's see what it does, how it goes, and suggest you always. It's great that you have an essential answer. You clearly know that the critical scope or weakness response was a bit brief in real entry. You want to expand and how, for example. So this is how you basically go on, and it's going to keep asking this question. So I hope you like my video and how you can build this own agent for your own set of interviews, whether you are a system admin, you're a developer, you're in finance or whatnot. And this way, let the LLM help you prepare for interviews. Okay. Thank you. And you guys have a very good day. Okay.